this custom water-cooled switch. The parameter settings, right. First, press this settings button. Click again to enter this password entry screen. Enter the password 1688. Press the next button -1. Then press the OK button to confirm. Then it will jump to the second square. The second number is 6. This is the confirmation key. The third one is 8. Press the OK button. The fourth one is also 8. Once inside, this FU1, it's diesel. The FU2 runs on gasoline. If you're using diesel, set it to 1. This is diesel. Don't make the wrong choice. Then press the OK button. This is the lower limit. Startup temperature. If you install it in a new energy vehicle, you could suggest set it a little higher. Set it to, say, 65 degrees. Then press the OK button. This is 5 here. You don't need to adjust it. You can adjust it up or down. This is the minimum temperature. This H75 is the maximum temperature. In other words, the default is 75. This means the water temperature reaches 75. It just shut down on its own. That's exactly the situation. If you think 75 is too fast, in that case, you can, for example, set it to 85. But if it's installed in a car, try not to exceed 90 degrees. I have this car, and the coolant temperature alarm is going off. Then press the OK button. This is the oil pumping frequency. No need to adjust this. Our factory settings, the default is fine. This is the maximum oil flow rate. You don't need to touch it either. This is the wind speed and the fan's rotational speed. These are all default operations. Don't make adjustments lightly. Press the OK button. This is the maximum fan speed. Press the OK button. Keep holding it down. Don't worry about that voltage. We are currently at a voltage of. It is automatically recognized. This is the ignition power. The default is 5. You don't need to adjust this either. And here's an EU1. E11. It is a single cycle mode. It's all heated up in one go. It just shuts down. I won't start it then. Then set it to 2. Set it to 2. In that case, it would be equivalent to in loop mode. For example, just a moment ago we set to 85 degrees. Water temperature reaches 85 degrees. It just shuts down on its own. Then, for example, the water temperature just now, the minimum value that can be set is 65. The degree is less than 65. Once it reaches that point, it will turn on automatically. This is the new energy mode. It's essentially a continuous heating cycle. He didn't save it just now. Let's try again. This parameter means that once you've finished setting it up, be sure to press the confirmation button. Confirm until the very end. This parameter must be set for it to be saved. That parameter we just mentioned, it wasn't saved. It has returned because you haven't used it for a long time. It will return to the interface. Then press 2. And then press the OK button until this off comes out. Confirm again. This saves the parameters. Well, let's click on it and take a look. This parameter I didn't adjust it afterward. So this has now become EU2 equals this parameter. It has been saved. Once this is adjusted, be sure to keep pressing the OK button until it says off. After coming out, press OK again to return to the main screen. This parameter setting has now been successfully saved.